There, it's going to get dangerously cold later this week, but with temperatures below freezing, a system moving in, that means snow on the way. Right now we sit at 24. It feels closer to about 14 degrees. Live Doppler 7 Max beginning to pick up on some fine snow, trying to get closer to the city, but where it's actually beginning to fall right now, back to the west, crossing over I-39, up to the north and west, moving into parts of DeKalb. This will continue to move to the east. You can see the system as a whole, this narrow band of snow, but also a few gaps and then some light snow showers along and south of I-80 right now. This will continue to fill in across northern Illinois, northwest Indiana as we head into the overnight hours. We do have the winter weather advisory. Any county in purple here, Cook County back to the west, up to the north. This is in effect until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, so the commute going to be impacted here with some slick roads with the snow falling overnight. This is not a heavy snow. This is not going to be a lot of snow. It's more about the timing with that snow falling overnight, waking up early, heading out the door. Some slick spots, especially on untreated roads and surfaces. So closer to midnight, you can see that snow really beginning to overspread our northern counties as we head into the overnight hours, becoming a little bit more widespread here along and north of I-80. This is 3:34 in the morning. You can see that snow continuing to fall here, and it'll pick up in intensity at times as well. 5, 6 if you're heading out early between about 6 and 7 a.m. That snow is falling, temps in the 20s. So again, this will be accumulating, not a lot, but there's enough time to bring us about 1 to 3 inches of snow overnight. Some isolated spots could see a touch more, and then by 8 in the morning, northwest Indiana, you're still getting in on that snow, and then it moves to the east. We catch a little bit of a break here. Highs near 30 tomorrow afternoon. Getting some peaks of sun during the late morning afternoon. We'll take it. Warmest day of the next 10 here, and then as we go late Wednesday night, another round of some scattered snow. Brief little bout of some moderate snow here. Some pockets will be pushing through, and that could bring an additional about 1 inch to 2 inches of snow to some isolated spots Wednesday night, but that will be scattered, not area wide. So what are we looking at here? About 1 to 3 inches expected along and north of I-80, where we get that band to set up during the morning. That's where we could see a little bit more, and you can see that's concentrated a little bit farther to the north, where there is the possibility to see about 2 to 4 inches of snowfall. Isolated, those higher totals expected to the north, but about 1 to 3 area wide by about Wednesday night. So it's really all about where you live. Again, not a big snow, but a dusting up to about 2 inches of snow expected across parts of the area. And then another AccuWeather alert for Friday. Brutal cold here moving in. We're looking at wind chills Friday morning. Take a look at what's going to happen. The coldest air of the season moving in. This is an Arctic push of air. Waking up Friday morning, wind chills -30 down to 40 below zero. Frostbite can occur within just minutes when we have wind chills that cold, which will carry over into our Saturday as well. So for tonight, tracking the snow, AccuWeather alert. We catch a little bit of a break on Thursday, but that Arctic air crashes in Friday and Saturday. Brutal cold, dangerous cold, and still staying cold into next week, guys.